Okay, here we are. We're going to create a new site, so click blank. And then give it a title, Superbowl. Maybe it'll work this time. And we'll give our page a title, Superbowl. And maybe we'll style this, make it a little bit bolder and more of a sporty type font. That's good. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go to a search and find a picture we like. So I'm going to go to images. And here's a picture that I like. So I'm going to right click, save image as, and I'm going to save it. Make sure it's a JPEG, right? Make sure it's a JPEG. So I'm saving it. Now I'm going to my website, and I'm going to change this background to that image. So I'm going to click change image, upload. There it is, and there it is. Looks good. Okay, so now we have our first page created, and let's start messing around with it. I'm going to go back to my Super Bowl search, and I'm going to go to the Super Bowl website and get some information about it. Event overview. I'm just going to copy this information right here. Copy. Go back to my page, and I'm going to create a text box right here by clicking Insert Text Box. And then I'm going to paste that text in here, Control V. And now I'm going to stylize this text with these tools up here. And you can just play with this and make it however you like. Maybe align it. Let's make it all unbolded. Change the text to that impact font. Make it bigger. Was that event overview? You know what? Instead of that, I'll put the names of the teams. So Rams versus Bengals. All right. Now, let's go ahead and change this the background of this little box. So we're going to use this selection colors. And you can modify the style if you want. Or you can drop in an image. It's really up to you. Let's go ahead and use that. Okay. It doesn't look that good with the black, so I'm going to change the color. That pops a little bit more, right? Okay. So now what I want to do is I want to create links so that when you hover over the Rams or the Bengals, you can click on these and it'll take you to their respective websites. So I'm going to go back to my search. Type in LA Rams. Here it is, official site of the Rams. Here's their URL or web address. So I'm going to copy this. Go back to my website. And now I'm going to select the Rams. Click on this link that says Insert Link. And what I'm doing here is I'm creating a link out of this text. So I'm going to paste that link that I got from here. Right click, paste, hit apply. And now it's actually a link that'll take you to this page. And I want to do the same with the Bengals. So I'm going to type in Bengals, official site of the Bengals, copy it, go back to my website, insert link, paste it in there, hit apply, and now these are both links. And we can test them by clicking on this little preview button. And when I click Rams, it takes me to the Rams. When I click Bengals, it takes me to the Bengals. So that's all working nicely. One thing I want you to see on this. This shows you what it's going to look like on a phone. This is what it's going to look like on a tablet. And this is what it's going to look like on like a computer or a desktop or a TV or whatever. So now let's get out of preview mode. Oh, wow! Real quick, what this is called when you when your site automatically changes, right, from phone to tablet to big screen, that's called a responsive website. All right, let's go ahead and put in a map of SoFi Stadium where the game's going to be held. So let's go to Google Maps. And I'm just going to type in SoFi. And there's a billion of them, so let's go stadium. Stadium. There we go. Okay, so here's our SoFi Stadium map. So we want to drop this into our page. To do this, we click Share. And instead of using this link, we want to go Embed Map. So what we're doing here is we're getting the HTML code, which is the language used to drop in this map in your HTML code. So click Copy HTML, and then go back to your web page. Click off this box, and now we're going to click on Embed. So what we're doing here is we're embedding that map into our HTML document. So I click Embed, and then I get the embed code, right? Because that's what we just got here was the embed code. And I paste it. Control V or right click paste. Hit next. There it is. Looks good. Hit insert. And now I have my map in here. Alright. This looks kind of, I mean it's fine, but it looks kind of weird with the off-white map and then the white space from the in the box. So what I'm going to do is just change this. I'm going to hit selection color. Just click style 2. And now it matches better. It looks better. I think it looks better. And it looks more professional, right? You have your dark, and then like even toned light, and then we'll go dark again right here. So let's go ahead and add a video from YouTube. So let's go to YouTube. And we'll find a Super Bowl video. Okay. So when we look at these, see this NFL shield? That's their logo. This video will not be able to be embedded into our project because the NFL has an agreement with YouTube to block it, so you can't just drop their videos on your content. So we have to find one that is not an NFL one. How about the history of the Super Bowl? That looks pretty good. Let's see if this one will work. Okay, so I found the video I want. I'm going to click share. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my web page. And now I'm going to go to YouTube. Click YouTube. I'm going to paste that link in here. Hit search. There it is. I'm going to click on it, hit select. Oh, NFL won't let us use that one either. That's okay. That's okay. Let's... Good Morning America? Oh, here we go. Rich Eisen. Come on, Rich.
I've got right here in my hand.
Share. Copy. Super Bowl. Oh, if you want to get rid of this, just click on it. Hit delete. No big deal. Okay. YouTube. Paste. Search. Select it. There we go. Now we're good. Put it in there. Alright, this one looks kind of weird because, again, you have the dark and then you have the light. So let's go ahead and change that. I'm just going to pick something dark. It doesn't really matter what. There we go. Alright, so at this point, what we've done, we've created the web page. Gave it a title, gave the web page a name, added information about the game, created links to the respective teams' official web pages, added a link to the map to the stadium, and dropped in a YouTube video about the Super Bowl. And that's all we're going to do for today.